Okay. Stop. Sir, with the white shirt, sit down, please.
Sit down. Sit down.
I also cannot sit.
You can sit down.
Sit down, please.
Do me a favor, turn around. Both of you face that direction right now.
For what?
Turn around.
For what?
Face that direction.
For
Put your
what?
hands on your head.
For what? No, I know my rights. For what?
I'm asking you to
For
do that.
what?
Please turn
My
around.
hands are in
Just
the air.
listen.
Officer,
I understand that.
So I'm asking.
Put your hands in the air, man. Put your hands in the air. There you
For
go.
what?
There you go.
Turn
For
around.
what?
Make sure you don't have a
Do
weapon.
not double tase him.
Put your hands on your head. Interlace your fingers.
Are we being detained?
Now!
Yes.
You're being detained.
For what?
Interlace your fingers on the back of your
205,
head.
we're out
For what?
2, and they're
What are we
uncooperative.
being
Get to that in a
detained
minute.
for? Answer my question, officer.
No, we're
I
not
know my
talking.
rights.
Stay there. Cuff him. Hold on, I got it. 5, give us the air for a second. We have one tased. Take him into custody. Just stay right where you are.
Keep an eye on that, please. I don't know if it's delayed.
Okay, slow down. Do it right. There you go.
Anything, man. What the fuck, yo? Come on.
All right, take a step backwards. You're going to step off the curb, okay? Down and off the curb. Spread your feet for me. Do you have any weapons on you? Huh?
What did you say?
Do you have any weapons on you?
I don't have anything.
Okay.
Oh, they fucking take your time. You hear me? I didn't do shit to you.
I know.
Fucking me.
All you gotta do is listen to what I asked you to do.
For what? What are we being
this
detained
gentleman?
for? For what? I know my
this
rights.
gentleman?
What are we being detained for? You never
All
answered
right, do me a favor. Just have a seat on
I'm
the
trying
curb
to
for me,
figure out
okay?
who's armed and if you're related over
And I
there.
told
And
you
you're not
no.
answering my
And I
questions.
told you no.
It's called
Did you see any gun?
failing to obey lawful orders.
Did you see any gun?
It's called failing to obey a lawful order.
What were we being detained
now
for?
You're going to jail for failing to obey a lawful
For
order.
what?
Failing to obey a lawful
Which
order.
is what?
To sit down, put your hands up, turn
I
around.
told you I have a pulled groin.
I don't care. Lawful order, you do what you're told.
If I can't sit, then what?
Then you could lay down.
Well, I want to talk to your supervisor.
That was the supervisor.
I want to talk to his boss.
Well, the chief
I
isn't
didn't
here.
do anything, and there are witnesses. Yes.
Hey, look right here. It's all on video, sweetheart.